Your Excellency, we have come this morning with NLC, brand new elected chairman and ESCO, to visit you, to reaffirm that we are prepared, ready to work with you, to apologize to you that the vision you saw 8 years ago, 7 years ago, which we did not see, that vision has finally manifested. We have returned to you to say, if you are a pastor, you would have been the best prophet ever seen. And today we are saying that we are joining you to thank you that irrespective of our mistakes, that you were able to keep the flag of putting River State together. And that today we are here to join you to build a new River State. Having said that, Your Excellency, we want to thank you on a lot of issues, which are items or things you have done to civil servants of River State, ranging from regular salary payment. One thing is to agree to pay salary, another thing is to pay it as at when due. You have consistently paid salaries of River State workers as at when due, which is an applause to you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, on the area of development, we are not here to praise you, but history will have it. I'm a beneficiary, my community is a beneficiary. You have created GRA phase 1, phase 2 in Ishobo. Because of the road you created in Ishobo, even the road, I can attest today that I have GRA phase 1 and 2 in Ishobo today by the development stripe of His Excellency. So we want to thank you for that.
We have been paying pension and gratuities every month, not less than 3.something billion set aside to pay gratuities and pension and benefits. In fact, the former Governor General told me yesterday, they've cleared that of 2016-17. But you see, I'm going to say that I've never paid for 15 months. And that is unfair. Quite unfair. Like somebody said, how will a government, it has never happened in this state, to go and build such a secretariat for the NLC and TUC, at the same time, the same people you did that for will turn around to begin to blackmail the government. It's such unfortunate, because opposition is trying to use it left hand. What is the result now? Look at now, they collect fees. They can't maintain the secretariat. It's not by mouth. They can maintain it. But now that she has left, and to welcome you, we are going to start the promotion for you. I didn't want her to take credit.
Thank you.
You should take the credit. So there's nothing government cannot do for you if we have a good relationship. That's how you go about it. You don't go about plotting against the downfall of the government, which will also affect the welfare of your members. So that the Civil Service Commission can commence the promotion exercise and also commence the employment of the 5,000 Now, I'm not a civil servant. So it even took me time to understand the rudiments, the rudiment of civil service, bureaucracy, and the rest of it. Now this is somebody or people who have passed through this level, from the junior down to the senior, to the permanent secretary, to the accountant general, who is more qualified to preside over the affairs of the state. It's not all these people who have been to private business. Private business is not about public service. When you come in, you know that it's a different ballgame. So I thought, just like Mechita said here, the civil service, the union ought to have taken it upon themselves to say this campaign is our own campaign. Now we are getting one of us now who will be in charge of the affairs of this state. The deputy is also experienced in civil service job, who has been a permanent secretary, down to a commissioner, and a lecturer. So it is you. We don't need to come and speak to you. You are the ones to take it upon yourself. Can we miss this opportunity now? Can we have it if we don't take it now?
Beatrice is a LabourParty candidate. Fubara, same, is working right inside Secretariat as an accountant general. That is the constituency where we come from. We are going to come out massively to vote for him. We will vote for him because we know that a vote for him will be a vote that will alleviate the sufferings of the working class of Rivers State. We are expecting that with Fubara, when he emerges, some of the problems that some of the things that have been denied by the workers will no longer be so. We will get what is due us. Fubara will build a more robust working relationship with the working class of Rivers State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.